Hey guys, I just wanted for you to see the kind of weather we're having in southern Ontario. This is the 15th of April. Yes, April Fool's is past, but it looks like Mother Nature is playing a practical joke on us. Look at this. I'm not sure if you can hear the wind. We're getting 100-kilometer-a-mile winds. This is ice. This is solid ice. My foot won't even go through the snow. It's ice. And it's coming down. And again, this is the 15th of April. It's freezing. You can hear the sirens in the background. There are multiple property damages. There's wires coming down because the ice is so heavy that it's bringing them down. Trees are coming down. Shingles are flying everywhere. Can you hear that? The trees are covered in ice. It's an ice rink out here. Anyways, I just wanted to let you know what's happening in southern Ontario, Toronto specifically. Let me know if you're getting this type of weather. It's brutal. I'm tired of it. I'm done with it. Remember me posting a video maybe a couple months back? Well, we're not done. We're not done, guys. Oh, it's coming down. It's getting really bad. Okay, guys. Comment down below. Let me know if you're having this type of weather. Bye. Stay safe.